Why, hello, everyone. Welcome back to Morning Shorts with Lightning. Now, I'm actually excited for today's episode because we have a big story to tell. Today's guest is Sherriff. He's going to be telling the story. This story is about being a police car. Yep, it sure is. I've been a police car for a long time. I like doing it. It is very... What do you think Sheriff's gonna say? Because is it very... A, boring, B, fun, or C, very bad? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say fun? Well then, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Being a police car is a very hard job. I arrest people if they're doing bad stuff, such as speeding. Hold up, Miguel. What is it, Sheriff? You are going way too far off the speed limit. Oh. Therefore, I'm gonna have to give you a... What does Sheriff have to give Miguel? A, food, B, a ticket, or C, a DVD? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say ticket? Well then, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Sorry, sir. I am afraid that I'll have to give you a ticket. Oh man. Another example for this is chasing cars. Get back here. And that is my story, kids. You know, kids, being a police is very hard work. Would you like to be a police when you grow up? That's a pretty good choice. Thanks for the story, Sherriff. You're welcome, Lightning. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say, "Hey, look, kids. I'm a police car now."